All right, day one at CES. We're here in the main hall right now. We skipped all the front stuff because it is super packed. Of course, expect it first day, you're gonna find a lot of people in there. But the further you walk in the bottom, the thinner it gets. And we are gonna start going into those actual companies that have products that I was looking for. And then we're gonna work our way back out, maybe in a day or two. But today, first day of CES 2026. Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
Very, very little and third, the ability to reframe after shooting. So again, like now you have full shots, you have stable shots, but where is your shot looking? How can you get creative? This allows you to zoom out and
It's transforming.
Oh, this way.
You can walk. Oh, look at this. He can walk. Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Both. Backwards.
How much weight can you carry?
700 pounds.
700 pounds.
Sir, you want to try it? Yeah. You have to be
Wow, look at this. This is nice. Big bulky wheels. How you doing? I missed mine. I just gave mine away.
Your scooter?
Yeah, now I want another one now.
That's why you're here.
Yeah.
I'm not allowed to go fast? No, you should go as slow as possible.
This is nice. How much? What's the price on something like this one?
I thought the fastest.
This is a new product.
Oh, okay. No numbers yet.
Range, so we're only gonna launch it in March, April, so no price yet.
Is it still locked to 25 miles per hour on this one, or is it higher?
This one is 725. Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, 25 miles per hour.
Yeah. Is there a non-lock feature for higher mileage? I like this one. You think it could carry me? I know. She said no. Oh, I like this one too.
Yeah, it's very big.
This is nice. What's the price on something like this?
If single motor, the price will be 655. If the dual motor, it will be 775.
Okay, 77.
What's the heaviest weight?
350 pounds can carry, or
I
what?
think you and he is also
Together?
no problem.
Okay, us together.
No, I don't think
Not together, just one.
Oh,
family.
she said not together, only us, only me. That's crazy. So I like the LED lights and everything for the nights. And this one goes up to 25 miles or higher.
Yes,
Yes, son.
like 100 kilometers long.
Oh, okay.
How come it has two connections?
To parking,
Charging?
to
Yeah.
charging? I don't know. I don't work here. Ask her.
That's
Why does it
the-
have two connections or power?
You mean the
Power? Is this power right here? Batteries?
Yeah. Charger.
You have to charge both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
See, because I always see the
Like that
single one.
Look at that. It's like a tricycle almost.
Yeah,
I want
just
this
like
pink
your
one too.
bicycles.
Yeah.
But this anti-pivot system gives you a safeguard.
And it folds into that.
This one looks with my outfit.
How do you charge it? In the back?
It has a removable battery.
Oh,
Yes.
remove
So you
battery.
can take it out,
Ooh.
or you can put it on. Here's the charging port.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Leave it and get it.
A DC but connection.
Yes.
How much weight can it carry? Like,
The maximum load is 330 pounds.
okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good. But we can't both get on there, right?
So we both can't get on it?
No, just one. Coffee or what? What's?
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, from
the
dog
back.
poop or what?
I don't know.
Why do they have a dog there?
No, I don't
Is
know.
that UI just AI trying?
有，我们在现场连正中间连正 ICC ICC 里面。
Mr. Angry Cat is making iced lattes here. Oh, he's making ice cream here. Look at Wally. Wally. Kind of looks like Wally, but it's W. Doesn't it look like Wally?
Yeah, it's Wally. Exactly,
It's W1, that's his name. Only if you had a roach in the back, it would be perfect. Look at this. Like the golden ticket, the golden scooter. You, look at that. Scooters are big things right now.